For exercise 5-27, we're going to go ahead and start this one again by selecting our metric template. And in this one here, I kind of want to start from the right side view because I think it's going to be a little bit easier for me to get everything figured out. I do want to click on our button here to turn on our isometric drafting and then double check to make sure that I'm at a 30, 60, 90 snap. So we're going to go ahead and draw this segment back 43. And then it's going to go up. We've got to do a little bit of math here. It's 12 plus 12, which is 24, plus 13, which is 37. And then its thickness is 13. And then I'm going to come right back over to here and go straight up 13. And then we can just make our L shape here. So now I want to copy this over 30, but I only really want to copy this line and this line. So I'm going to copy these two lines back along my 30-degree angle, 30 millimeters. Now I can draw in this line, and this line, and that's going to give me the basis for the back. Now the center point for this other piece is at 35, so I want to draw a line from here back along my 30-degree axis, 35, and then I'm going to draw that back until it tracks off of here, and this is going to give me the center point for the radius on this edge. So I'm going to go into my ellipse command, which is right here. So I just go into ellipse, well, EL enter is probably going to be the easier way to do this. So I just go to the ellipse command and then I can hit I enter for iso circle. And then I'm just going to pick the midpoint and the end point, and then I can get rid of this line. Next, I want to copy this and this down to here. And then what that's going to give me, if I do a line from quadrant to quadrant, is it's going to give me that bottom profile. So now I can trim out the parts of this ellipse that I don't need to see and trim out the front of the ellipse. So now here we have the completed object minus the holes. So I'm going to go EL enter, I enter to get back into my iso circle option. This circle here has a diameter of 13. And then this other circle is centered on this face. So I want to come down here and change my iso plane to the left. And then EL enter, I enter to get into my iso circle. And I'm going to hover over this midpoint and hover over this midpoint, and then I'm just going to track the location for the center. And then hit D enter, 16, enter. Now this one here might be visible from the back, so I do want to copy this from this point to this point. And it looks like in the book it's a little bit visible, but in all actuality it's not actually visible, so we're not going to see any of the backside of that surface in this particular exercise. But here is exercise 5-27.